Here's Snookie. And here's the piece of paper. Let's see if we can do this here. He brings back the piece of paper and drops it off for me to throw again. Here's the piece of paper. Whoop. Down the hallway it went. Let's see if it brings it back. Whoops. Where'd it go, boy? Oh dear. Did your buddy take it with me? Did your buddy take it from me? Uh-oh. Now what are we going to do? You gotta make another one. Is Tommy going to bring it back? Uh-oh. Tommy! Come on! Tommy! Let's see if Tommy can bring it back. I have to get you another one. Oh, he got it. He brought it back. Come on, Tommy. Come on. Bring it over. Oh. Come here, Tommy. Bring it. Bring it over. Tommy, come on. No. What do you want, the paper or the okay. No. Bring it. Oh, man. Come on, Tommy. Bring it over here. Come on. Bring it. Come on. Bring it. I know. Yeah, Tommy doesn't know how to do it, though. But you do, though. Okay? Come on, Tommy. Bring it over. Come on. He's thinking about it. Come on. Tommy. Come on. Oh, dear. Are you eventually going to bring it over? Come on. Huh. Tommy. Come on, boy. Bring it over. Come on. I'm going to have to make another one, I guess. Let's see. Now we'll use this. This is good for nothing anyway. There you go, Snook. There you go. It's my pal. There you go. Bring it back. There you go. What a good boy. Alright. Here we go. And boy. There it is. Come on, sir. Bring it over. There you go. Good. Let's see, Tommy, why can't you do that? You know what I mean? Is it that hard? It's so hard to do. Hey, buddy. Yeah, boy. Okay.